Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I'm bringing to you again another video. This is instead of more of a pinky glittery look, I'm giving to you more of a, I don't know, like smoky, sultry kind of Valentine's Day look. This is what I call sultry. This is my version of sultry. If you want to see how I create this look, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. And if you want to see how I got it, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so just pulling my hair back up in a ponytail, button up my shirt before everybody gets a free show. Okay, so starting off with the bare face. I finally got my hands on this lotion right here. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I've just been really hesitant to use it because my face has been acting out kind of funny lately. Well, not my face, my actual like skin has been acting really weird. So this is a multifunction hydrating cream. Can't say the name, I don't want to say it because I don't want to butcher it. Embryolisse. So we're gonna feel first impressions on that. Right off the bat, I can see it's a really rich, it's not thick, it's really rich. Oh, it smells like old lady. It reminds me of my grandmother actually, the smell of this lotion. Yeah, I don't like the smell, but wow, just that little bit was enough for my face. And I just feel like how it sinks into my skin. It feels really nice. I'm not a fan of the smell. It smells like old lady to me. But I actually like the way it feels on my skin. It feels really nice. For lips, I'm gonna go in with this Glam Glow Put Mud Wet Lip Balm Treatment because my lips are chappy. Like always, this is in the color Birthday Suit. It's a nice nude color. Okay, let's do eyes first. I'm gonna prime my eyes. Yes, I am. I'm gonna use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45. I'm gonna use this Morphe Beauty Sponge. I know it's dirty. I was using it earlier. It's foundation, guys. Don't worry. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, pump some on the back of my hand, just use it to prime my eyes. Okay, so for eyes, we're gonna be going in with the Dose of Color DesixKaty collection. Because this is gonna be, I can't talk today, because this is gonna be a very like sultry, kind of sexy, well, that's the goal that I'm trying to do today, look. I'm gonna be using this purple color right here on my lid, and probably this gold color, probably the bronze color on my inner eye, but we'll see. So for transition shade, I'm going to use, where is my bronzer? That's gonna be my transition shade. Okay, so for eyes, we're gonna start off by using this MSF from MAC. This is in Dark Tan. This is actually what I use to bronze my face and to set my face. I'm gonna use it as a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this Sigma E25. Just take a little bit in the back of this brush, and I'm just gonna buff it. Okay, so now we're done with that. We're gonna go in with the color Turbo Sands. Turbo. I like the names on this. So this shade right here, I'm gonna use my fingers. I'm just gonna take some on this finger right here. It's a nice purpley kind of color. Ooh, I love this palette. It's actually, I could say hands down, one of my favorite collabs that's been done, that was done in 2017. It's a really pretty palette. It's very simple. You can do a daytime and nighttime look. It's super pretty, so I'm all about it. Okay, now that that's done, I'm gonna take this sexy, well not sexy, but Sex Kitten Tarte eyeliner in black. I'll take this and I'm going to run this down my waterline. For lashes, I'm gonna go in with this Lina D Beauty lashes. I've been obsessed with all these lashes lately. I purchased a few from this website. I'm gonna link her down below. The lashes I'm using are called Crystal Glow. They're these long, wispy, pretty lashes. I believe these are foaming. Yeah, these are foaming lashes. These lashes, guys. I'm gonna curl my lashes and use the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara in Very Black. Let's move on to face. I'm gonna use my SuperStay full coverage from Maybelline in 330, which is toffee caramel actually. I'm not gonna put on the other primer that I've been using lately, but I'm gonna keep the lotion that I use on my face. So hopefully this works out. Okay guys, so we're gonna switch over really quickly to voiceover. As you can see right here, I'm going to quickly pop on these amazing lashes. These are in Crystal Glow. Again, they're from Lina D Beauty. Super cool. See the difference right there? Oh my god, it's so fluffy and pretty and long. I think these are super perfect for this look. They're like, they remind me, like I said, they remind me a lot of velour lashes, but a little bit more affordable. And that's it for the lashes. Now moving on to face, I'm going to set my face and bronze a little bit with my MSF from MAC. Guys, let me know if I need different bronzers. I'm really picky when it comes to bronzers because of my complexion. But yeah, just comment down below, let me know. Concealer, we're going to go in really quickly with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. Just a little bit, just to brighten up the under eyes. Again, taking that beauty sponge from Morphe and just blending everything out. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to pop on the Maybelline Master Fix Translucent Setting Powder. I'm going to use the light one for under my contour just to kind of sharpen that contour. I want like a nice strong face. I'm not going to get too crazy because I don't want that white cast. Even though this is a translucent powder, but I try to be careful. Once I'm done with that, for blush, I'm using my Milani Luminoso. Favorite blush of all time. I feel like this blush goes with every single look. It's like a pretty pink, peachy kind of color. Like, look how pretty that looks. Now we're gonna wipe off that translucent powder very quickly. As you can see, I don't leave it on for too long because, again, I don't want that white cast. I don't want it to look like ashy. Also, I did use that to set my under eyes. For brows, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony just to kind of shape them up a little bit and fill them in. So now I'm gonna take, I believe this is Noli. Yeah, this is Noli. I'm like, what's this? I'm gonna take my finger. I'll take a brush. I'm gonna take this Eco's Tool Detailed Lip Brush. Yeah, it's a lip brush, but I'm just gonna take it, just pop it in the inner corners of my eye. I feel like I should take a little bit of Zeus. I'll probably take a little bit of Zeus also. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little bit of Zeus. Oh yeah. Right there. I'm not gonna really do anything to my brow bone because I want all the attention like on my actual eyes. I'm gonna take a black eyeshadow, if I can find one. I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow from the Total Temptations palette right here because it's not so like pigmented. You can actually build it up. I'm gonna use this Juvia J129 angled brow brush, and I'm just gonna take the black eyeshadow. It's actually kind of grayish, but that's fine. And I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line. Now for highlights. I'm gonna put like 5,000 highlighters together. I'm gonna take Mirame and Fuego again from the collection. I just love these two together. They're just so pretty. They're just like life-saving. They're just life-saving to me. Look how pretty. I just might take a little bit of Fuego and I'm gonna put it on the top part of my brow. I'm gonna use this Morphe blending brush, just take a little bit. Just to, there we go. Just looking all go together. Just make it that much better. Found it. So this is the Maybelline Color Sensations Shaping Lip Liner. I have it in the color Rich Chocolate 120. It's like a brown with like red undertones in it. I like it. So looking like a chola. Looking like a chola. So that's it for lips. I don't know, I feel like I should go a little bit more nude. No, I think that's fine. It's fine. For setting spray, I'm gonna use this Glam Glow Glow Setter because I feel like sparkling. Oh, great. Everywhere else but my face. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the look that I created. This is a nice, sexy, sultry look for Valentine's Day. If you don't want to go all pink and glittery like my other video, it's really easy. If you do like this video, please subscribe, thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.